Hey, gearheads! Welcome back to Autoverse Authority, your ultimate pit stop for the best automotive products out there. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best power wheels that's turning heads and boosting performance. After hours of research and testing, I've handpicked the top choices for every kind of buyer, whether you're chasing value, performance, or a unique feature. Links to these products with the latest deals are waiting for you in the description below. Smash that like button, drop a comment, and hit subscribe to fuel your passion for all things auto. Let's rev it up and get started. In our list, the number 1 product name is ANPABO Remote Control Power Wheel. ANPABO 24-volt ride-on car truck is designed to offer fun and safety for young drivers. This electric vehicle brings a mix of playful experience and strong build, making it suitable for children within 4.5 feet in height. The model supports up to 110 pounds and includes both manual and remote control functions, allowing parents and children to share the driving experience together. The ride-on truck features a 4-wheel drive and 2-wheel drive switchable mode powered by 475-watt motors. This setup helps it move smoothly on different surfaces and offers stable control during play. Large shock-absorbing wheels, spring suspension, and soft start help protect children from bumps and sudden jerks while driving. A wide 19-inch seat fits either one larger child or 2 smaller toddlers, offering enough room to sit comfortably. It includes a 4-point adjustable seat belt to ensure secure seating during each trip. With its realistic design, children can enjoy driving sounds, working headlights, and built-in horn features, making the ride more exciting. This vehicle also includes music playback with support for USB and Bluetooth connections. A storage area in the back lets kids carry their favorite items while playing. Parents can operate the car remotely using the 2.4 GHz controller, which includes emergency brake options for added control. Made from non-toxic polypropylene material and certified under safety standards, this electric ride-on truck is a strong gift choice for birthdays, holidays, or special events. In our list, the number 2 product name is TOBBI 12V Ride-on Car Power Wheel. TOBBI 12-volt Kids Ride-on Car is made to bring fun and adventure to young children aged between 3 to 5 years. This electric off-road UTV truck has a strong design and is shaped to suit smaller drivers who weigh under 66 pounds. Its compact size makes it easy for children to handle and steer during playtime indoors or outdoors. The car is powered by a 12-volt 4.5 ampere-hour battery and 225-watt motors. This setup helps it move forward or backward at speeds between 1.86 and 3.11 miles per hour. After a full charge of around 10 to 12 hours, children can enjoy over 40 minutes of ride time depending on road surfaces. This ride-on truck includes working headlights, double opening doors, and a steering wheel with a horn to offer a more lifelike driving experience. A built-in music player adds extra fun with 6 preset songs. The openable windshield and detailed body styling give the vehicle a playful off-road look. A unique clasp connector system makes charging simple and steady by pressing a single button to connect or remove the battery. The seat is easy to remove for charging access. The push start button, steering wheel, and foot pedal allow children to begin their ride without trouble. Made from non-toxic polypropylene and certified by safety standards including ASTM and CPCA, this vehicle brings safety and entertainment together for your child's driving journey. In our list, the number 3 product name is sopbost Licensed BRP UTV Power Wheel. Sopbost Licensed BRP Can-Am Maverick X3 24-volt ride-on car brings off-road style and performance to young drivers. This side-by-side electric vehicle is shaped to reflect the real Maverick design and includes 2 separate seats for children to enjoy together. Built with 4 200-watt motors, it delivers strong power across varied ground types. With a total weight capacity of 135 pounds, it suits children over 3 years of age. This ride-on UTV runs on a removable 24-volt rechargeable battery and supports both manual and remote driving modes. Parents can guide younger kids using the remote controller, while older children can use the foot pedal and steering wheel to control the vehicle on their own. The manual and remote switch makes it easy to shift between modes for different skill levels. With added safety from seatbelts and shock absorbers, the ride feels smoother and more stable even on uneven surfaces. 4 all-terrain ethylene vinyl acetate copolymer tires help keep movement balanced. The body uses non-toxic polypropylene material and meets ASTM F963 safety standards. A built-in music system supports Bluetooth, aux, USB, and TF card connections. Children can enjoy songs and stories while they drive. Working lights, openable doors, and a roll bar add more detail to the experience. This kid's UTV is designed for both fun and safety, offering a realistic driving journey that keeps young riders engaged and confident on every trip. In our list, the number 4 product name is Hikole Ride-on Dump Bed Power Wheel. Hikole 24-volt ride-on dump truck gives young drivers a strong and exciting way to enjoy outdoor play. This electric 2-seater utility vehicle is designed for children between 3 and 8 years old. It runs on a powerful 24-volt 7-ampere-hour rechargeable battery and includes 4 75-watt motors. With 6 wear-resistant wheels and spring suspension, it can move over grass, dirt, or pavement with better balance and less shaking. The vehicle includes a wide seat that fits 2 toddlers or 1 older child, offering space for shared fun. A safety belt adds protection during each ride. The electric dump bed has nearly 1 cubic foot of space, helping kids carry toys, sand, or small items and unload with a one-touch lift. A toy shovel is also included to make the play feel even more real. Both manual and remote driving options are available. Children can use the steering wheel and pedal for control, while parents can guide the ride using the remote control. The dashboard includes a horn, clear buttons, and a music player with Bluetooth and other input options, making every ride more enjoyable. Built from non-toxic polypropylene material and certified by ASTM and CPSIA, this ride-on truck focuses on safety and comfort. With speeds ranging up to 4.9 miles per hour and long battery performance between 90 to 120 minutes, this model combines realistic design with fun play features for long-lasting use. In our list, the number 5 product name is Bluefun Electric Motorcycle Power Wheel. Bluefun Electric Motorcycle for Kids is designed to offer a smooth and fun outdoor ride for young children. This 2-wheeler bike is powered by a 200-watt hub motor that supports adjustable speed modes, helping children enjoy safe control as they learn to ride. The maximum riding speed can reach 9.3 miles per hour, while the slowest mode begins at 3.1 miles per hour for new learners. This ride-on dirt bike is equipped with a 24-volt 8-ampere-hour lithium battery, which can keep the ride going for more than 1.5 hours depending on terrain and rider weight. Its lightweight body weighs 40.8 pounds, which allows for easier maneuvering by children aged 3 to 8 years. Inflatable wheels and a professional rear shock absorber help reduce bumps when riding across different paths, from sidewalks to grassy fields. With a balanced wheelbase design, the bike maintains better stability even when carrying weight up to 149 pounds. The motorcycle includes colorful lights that glow during night rides, creating a unique effect as the wheels move. A Bluetooth speaker is built in, so kids can connect a mobile phone to enjoy music while they ride. A horn and key start are included for an added real motorcycle feel. With most parts pre-assembled, the setup takes very little time. This electric dirt bike is a thoughtful gift for active children who enjoy adventure and outdoor play in a safe and exciting way. Thanks for watching our full videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and check link the description below. Goodbye and take care. See you in the new video.